Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today, we're going to unbox this package which came from Bravestar Selvedge Denim. Actually, I received a Selvedge Denim last year in November. However, the one that I ordered was not the correct size, which fits me, and I have to return the said item to Bravestar. And Bravestar is very reliable, and they were able to change my old pair, the first one which I ordered, to this pair which I think will fit me because I size up for this item. This is a Selvedge denim coming from Bravestar, and we're going to open it right now. Is Bravestar Selvedge Denim, and the item is regular taper of this Sequia Heavyweight Japan Selvedge Denim in size 31 by 36. Actually, when I returned the first one which I ordered, I waited for 3 days for me to receive a coupon, which is in itself a refund of what I paid for the first pair. And then after I received the tracking slip for the said item, I sent it back and I reapplied on their website for a newer item or a better item or the correct size that I have, and they sent me this 31 by 36. As usual, you have this packing, Bravestar sales and service from El Segundo, California. It is very near LA. It is located near the Los Angeles Airport, International Airport. And it says, stay raw. This is 21.5 Selvedge denim, and says there, regular tapered Selvedge Sequia Heavyweight Japanese Selvedge Denim. So as usual, you have your tab, a leather patch at the back, and then the Selvedge identification on the small pocket or watch pocket. You have fly button, and then the Selvedge ID inside. So basically, this is their heaviest Selvedge denim in their inventory. I hope I will be using this for the Year 3 Indigo Denim Fade competition, which will start on April 1, 2022. So that's it for the unboxing, and of course, you have the starter on the right back pocket. This will be my second Bravestar Selvedge denim. So with that, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. If you have any comments or additional information about this pair of Selvedge denim from Bravestar, please comment, make your comments down below, and please like this video. Thank you and have a good day. So this is now the fit of the 21.5 ounces Sequia Bravestar Selvedge denim. The waist is very exact, 31 inches. It has roomy hips, and I would like that because the more that whiskers will form in front, because it has a boxy profile. And then at the back, it has a nice fit at the back. There. Hopefully, I'll be able to have some beehive at the back portion. The side is just okay, the fit. The side profile, it's nice. And I'll be using this for my Year 3 Indigo Fade competition. By the way, the price of this denim pants or salvage denim pants is $128 plus the shipping and sales tax. It amounted to $148 all in all. It is very cheap and it is a very heavy denim, salvage denim, 21.5 ounces. And I think this will be my first time to compete with that kind of heavy denim. It's nice. I am happy with the Brave Star. It will be fun to fade these denim pants. Very nice. Regular taper model. The first one that I had is Slim Taper because it is a lightweight denim, which is 13.5 broken arrow, and I like the fit and I got the size 30. But for the heavier one, I think my size should be 31 for the Brave Star, and I like the fit of the regular taper. Very nice. Roomy at the hips, roomy on the thighs, more room on the butt, and I'm hoping that there will be nice whiskers formation and nice fading contrast with this pair of Brave Star denim salvage denim jeans. So with that, thank you for watching this video and see you again soon in my next videos. Bye!